Hi there. Have you inherited a house that you know you don't want to keep and you just want to sell for cash and be done with it? A lot of times we come across homes that people have inherited. They are not interested in fixing the house up. They don't even want to clean it out. They just want to be done with it. That's where we come in. Our group pays cash for homes. We usually get you paid within 7 days or less, and you can leave the house as it is. So if it needs a bunch of repairs, maybe it's got garbage inside the house and out. We see that quite often where there's just garbage piled to the ceiling and there's a bunch of junk in the backyard that no one's interested in. Give me a call, 916-599-5678. We're looking for homes in the Sacramento area, up to Nevada City, Grass Valley, Auburn, Yuba City, Marysville. Those are all areas that we're looking for homes. And the good thing is that you'll get paid cash, and it's usually within 7 days or less, and then you are out of the deal. You don't have to worry about doing any of the cleanup. You don't have to worry about doing any of the repairs. We'll come in, pay cash, and you'll be on your way. Now, another reason why people are looking to sell homes is sometimes they're facing foreclosure and they know that they can't get caught up on payments. So give me a call in that situation. If you know somebody who is facing short sale, we can also help in that situation. Maybe you're going through divorce and you don't want everybody knowing what your situation is. We have people who come in and pay cash for your home, okay? So if this doesn't pertain to you, would you do me a favor? Would you share this video with maybe somebody who is facing any of those situations? My number is 916-599-5678. Thanks so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.